Hello, dear customer. This is Evan from KRQ Company. Today, I'd like to share with you how we can make the non-lock slider. As you can see, there are many different kind of non-lock slider in front of me. Today, in this video, I will share with you how we can make it. As you can see, this is the complete production processes drawing. There are totally 7 processes. So now, let me explain it to you one by one. The first one is die casting. For the die casting, we need to make the slider body, we need to make the puller. And also we have different tones for your choosing the 25, the 30 or bigger tones. And also we can provide you slider body mode and the puller mode. And after die casting, we need to separate the products and the frame. And after separating, we need to make the polishing. Polishing, we make it more a little shinier, a little smooth than the raw one. And also for the polishing process, we also have many different kind of model for your choosing. And normally, for example, the barrel type, the vibrating type, and also some high-speed type. So it depends on your polishing requirements. After polishing, we need to separate the products and the polishing stones, because in the polishing process we need to add some polishing stones like this one and different shape polishing stones in the polishing machine. And after separating the polishing, we need to dry. We need to remove the water from the surface of the products. And after drying, we need to assembling the slider body and the puller. So as you can see, for the assembling process, we also have different model for choosing. Some model for the standard puller and some model for some fancy puller. And after assembling, we need to make the color. And for the color processing, we have 2 solutions: the painting and the plating. The painting, we have the barrel painting and the hanging painting. And also for the plating, we also have the barrel and the rack plating. Okay. So this is the whole process is how we can make the non-lock slider. And beside this processes, let's see which material we need. This is the raw material for non-lock slider production. And the first one is zinc for the die casting process. And second is the various polishing stones used for the polishing process. And different of them we can make the different result. And besides these 2, we also need the paint, the thinner, and the chemical. The chemical mainly used for the painting process and plating process. And in addition to the raw material, we also have the videos of each machines. As you can see,
this is our 25 shop die casting machine. Hi dear customers, this is our vibrator polishing machine. Hi dear customers, this is the separating machine.
And besides the videos, we also have the leaflet for each machine. For example, this die casting machines, and this leaflet we will put some basic information and some spare part used for these machines. So, and also our advantages, so you can have more better understanding of our machines. So this is a brief introduction of how we can make the non-lock slider. So my friend, if you want to know more details of our machines, please contact us by WeChat, WhatsApp, or email. We can send our catalog to you and help you get more details. Thank you.